An OpenSky security deposit refund is not always immediate after account changes, because the refund process depends on account status, payment activity, and OpenSky's review process. If your OpenSky deposit refund is delayed, you'll learn what to check, what steps to take, and when contacting support is the right move. The first thing to check is whether your OpenSky account has fully completed the requirements for a deposit return. A security deposit is connected to the secured card agreement, so OpenSky may need to confirm that the account qualifies before releasing the funds. Start by checking your OpenSky account dashboard, recent emails and any messages from OpenSky about your account status. Look for information about your card being closed, upgraded, or no longer requiring the security deposit. A common reason for delays is that the refund process may still be pending, because the account has not reached the final stage required for the deposit to be released. Checking your account details helps you identify whether the issue is a processing delay or missing information. If your refund appears to be delayed, contact OpenSky customer support and provide your account information, the date your account change happened, and any confirmation messages you received. Ask specifically for the current status of your security deposit refund. Keep records of every message, email, and confirmation number connected to your request. These details make it easier to follow up if the refund takes longer than expected. You should also verify that your payment information and mailing details are correct. Incorrect information can create additional problems when a company attempts to send a refund. Avoid closing the issue without confirmation that the refund has been processed. A refund request and a completed refund are two different steps. If you are waiting because your OpenSky card was closed, check your final account statement for any remaining balance or activity. Outstanding balances or unresolved account issues can affect the completion of account processing. The key points are simple. Confirm your OpenSky account status. Check for messages about the deposit refund. And contact support with specific details if the process appears stuck. Your next step is to log into your OpenSky account and review your latest account information before contacting customer support. If this helped you understand the OpenSky deposit refund process, like the video and subscribe for more credit card fixes and comparisons.